Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. And I just want to give you an overview of what's going here at the shop. Tons of stuff. You see our red 63 Z06, getting ready to start on that one. We've got this 63 one owner 340 horse car. Very, very cool. This is for sale, by the way. So anybody out there in TV land wants to buy something like this, very special car. 60 model, black on black on black, triple black Corvette, or 65, big block, 396, 425 horse car, real car, Nassau blue, white interior, beautiful. And then in amongst all this stuff, look at this, our Hemi Roadrunner, 69 Roadrunner, Hemi, 4-speed, track pack car, one of 12. We'll have this running this week and out the driveway. Hallelujah, praise the Lord, amen. Then we've got another 66 big block. It's a 390 horse car, but it's got air conditioning and it actually works. It's also for sale. It's a two-owner car. We also have right over here, this is a 59 Ford pickup, resto mod, customized. I mean, it's got custom suspension, brakes, motor, transmission, rear end, leather interior, just cool stuff. So folks, you got something laying around, you see what we do here, and it is by far the best wherever you're gonna get it done. So you know where to bring it? Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.